Found one 2000 rated player. Let's see. It's a rated match, so I'm not sure. Yeah, I went. Good to know that if we lose, that will be only -1 for us. But I'm here to learn from these players, top rated players. So I am ready to go for the castle. So far, everything is as per the normal situation. Let's see. Oh, I should have gone here. No. Okay. Thing will help. It can possible, right? Now my next idea is to put the bishop on. Oh, okay. Just a minute. Let me analyze this. Capture with the rook. What is going to happen? Capture when knight jumps in. There will be nothing. Okay, I'm not getting any idea right now what we can play here. But this sack is going to work or not, I'm not sure. Can we try it? What is the big deal now? Let's see. Picking up. I'm going for it. But I have only two pieces. I should have introduced my rook. But this bishop is guarding the g6 square, so okay, he has played something which I was not expecting. Let's see. Okay. Hmm. So now we are into trouble. But let's see. We can recover from this. If cap if this captures, I'll be giving check. That doesn't happen. Oops. It looks like our queen is now trapped. Or what? Now it's nothing. Let's analyze the game, because we have tried something else, going out of the box to try some sack, which normally GMs are doing. So let's see. So just 12% accuracy. So yeah, here I thought that my bishop is better place on e6, because I can develop my knight, because this knight and rook never came to the game. Oh, it's already plus, and I have given my piece over here. The knight jumps back. That is the idea. Then it's nothing. I could have given the check. Check could be possible, and in return, king can go to h1, followed by my bishop can jumps back. No, bishop takes. No, that is not anyway winning you, no? Pawn can push further. Nothing. So we thought that that is going to work out, but that actually didn't work out. And here at the moment we should have not this one. Earlier was possible to give check, which we missed. So yeah, that is a part and parcel of our learning. So that is good learning for me. It's a 5 minutes game for 1729 rated player. No, now it's not there.